Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video. So the scope of this video is to understand the commands in Python, and this is the sixth video of Python playlist in API POTHI. So prior to that, we are also going to understand that what do you mean by comment in any programming language. For all the programming language, the comment means that we are skipping the lines of code or we don't want compiler to run that set of code. Okay, so comment in any programming language are the lines in the code that are ignored by the compiler intentionally during the execution of the program. So we are instructing compiler not to execute this line of code which is commented. So the commented not always is the code, this could be the some description also. So here it is. So what is the use of comment? Okay, how it is making developer life happy. The first thing is that readability of the code is easy. So when we are writing some set of function, we have writing some difficult logic or we are writing some integration logic. So after writing the code, we will put some comment saying that okay, this code is for that, this code is for that. Okay. So when next time the same developer or other developer will come, for them it is easy to understand that what this line of code is meant for. It will give the better understanding rather than debugging the entire line. Second thing is that when we have some existing code and we are doing some enhancement, and there is a chance that that existing code we have to delete it. So instead of deleting, we generally do the comment. So the old code is also there, and on top of that we are writing the new code also. So when later point of time we'll see for any region, we'll see the okay, this was the code and this was the new code. Okay, so for that purpose also we will do the comment on the respective set of lines of code. Okay, when we are writing any of the method or any of the function, on top of the function generally we will say that okay, this function is meant for this one, for that this could be the request and this is the expected response parameter. Okay, so this will help to understand that and what is the business of this set of method or function. So that will basically help programmer to understand without going to one by one into the code. In one shot it will understand okay, this method is for that one. Same as if you are writing any code and suppose that you are writing some code or we have some code where we are very big SQL statements are there, and that statements we have converted into the string. So technically when we do select star from employee, okay, so this is anyhow a small query, but we will write big query. That query we will translate into the string. Okay, and if in between string, if by mistake if any extra space will come, okay, that query will not execute properly. Like we have the like operator in SQL, right? In between like if you put any extra space, the meaning will differ. Okay, it will not give you the exact output what you supposed to get it. So for that we will write something like in that class area or in the method area or in the function area, saying that please don't format this code, like control shift F for the Eclipse, right, when we are formatting the Java code. So same in Python, we will restrict or we will give some notice that we don't have to format this entire code. This is fine. Or if you want to say some metadata information, like for this code, this is the metadata that we will get it from this services, that also we can perform in comment section. Comment section we can write anything because it is not meant for the compiler. Compiler is not going to read anyway. Okay, so that is the basic intention to have the comment in any of the programming language, respective the same in Python also. So there are technically two types of comment. One is the single line comment and one is the multi-line comment. Single line comments means we are commenting the one line code. Multi-line comments means we are commenting more than one lines of code. Now question is that how to comment the single line and how to comment the multiple line in Python. This comment is differ from program to program, programming language to programming language. Here we are very specific with the Python, hence we are only interested to know for Python only. So to comment the single line, we are using the hash key or hashtag. Okay. So like if you do like that, I am a single line comment, hence will not provide you any output. Technically, comment is not executing or not addressed by the compiler, hence it is not giving you any output. Coming to the now our IDE. So suppose that if you put here as I am single line comment, hence I will not provide you any output. This is the comment I have made it. Just saving this one and trying to run it. Let me change the configuration for that. What was that? Comment example. Okay, let me run. So if you see here, this star is printing I am here. And if you see here, this is also comment, right? It is commented by the hashtag. Single line comment. This is also single line comment. These are all not getting printed because this is a single line commented with the help of hashtag. So this is all about the single line. Coming to the multiple line, to perform the multiple line comments, we have the two way. Multiple line means we need to comment more than one lines of code. Either we need to put, the comment into the 3 times a single quote or 3 times a double quote. So what is the reason behind this one? So just coming to the first, before doing the single line comment or multiple line comments, I am just writing I am string not used anywhere. Okay, so this is not the comment. Okay, but if I will run this one, this will not give you any compilation error. So this is the default string behavior. Like if you write any string and if you are not assigning any variable here, the string will not do anything for you. If you do here a equal to this one, and we can say that print a, now it will print the value. It is printing value because I have assigned this string into the a. If I will remove this one, it will give you the compilation error. Here you see, right, a is not declared, and it will not give you any trouble also. Okay, so this is the again is skipped by the compiler only. With the same idea, the multiple line comments came into the picture. For multiple lines in Python, we need to give 1, 2, 3, this one. If you put I am multi-line comments, hence I will not provide you any output. Okay. So if you see, it is running perfectly. It is not giving any trouble to me. I am a multi-line comment, hence I will not provide you any output. This is the one way to do the multi-line comments. Another way is put the double quote 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Copy same and paste it here. And if you run this one, this will also not give you any trouble. because this either you put single quote or you put double quote, but 3 times. So this is multi-lines because of this one. You can put enter also any times. Just whatever you want to put, you put inside this one. Same as here also. You can put any lines, number of line, it will not give you any trouble. Right? You save this one, run, it is not printing because it is commented. So in this way, we can give the command either one single quote, one double quote. This concept came because of string. The string is also getting ignored if you are not assigning any value with the single quote, right? So this is all about the multi-line comments. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.